So I've been making progress on this. It may not look like it right here because the nose is off, but I took it off to bring it to the alignment shop to get, make it easier for them to get it on and off the rack. And I've been working on it over here under my carport with all this junk everywhere. And so I thought the electric motor for the radio mast thingy was making noise every now and then. You'd hear this little electric motor like go off. And so, man, I looked everywhere. It looked like it would do it every minute or so. And I'm looking, and I could hear it maybe coming from this side of the car. And then I pulled the fuse for that antenna thing, and it didn't make any difference. After a couple of days of actually messing with this, did you hear it? It's that. It moves around when I move, and it follows me. So when I would stand real still trying to hear the noise, it wouldn't do it. And it took me forever to figure that out.